Hello, little girl. Can I put my beak inside your taco? Ah!
Isn't it a beautiful day today?
Did you hear what that bird just told me?
I need to remember to do all my homework before I go to bed.
It's looking at me like it wants to rape me.
Let's get back to work, Ahana. Your grandma might punish us if we're late.
Yeah. What the hell? Ah!
Listen, you annoying bitch! Stop following me and trying to be my friend!
It's the guy that you like over there.
What the hell?
Oh my god, they're going out?
Whatever.
Wait, Mika-san! Said I've come to rape you. Prepare for beak penetration. No!